Good morning, everybody. This is your instructional recording. Please pay close attention. We've got a lot of stuff to do today, very busy, but it's very detailed. So please make sure you pay attention for these, okay? So it is October 19th, Monday, woohoo! Here is your agenda for the week. I have taken a picture of my board with everything that we're going to do. These are subject to change just in case we don't get through one day. I'll give you time to work on it still, okay? So that's for this week. Oh, I gotta fix that typo. Here's your CNN 10 for today. I need you to write one fact. Just tell me one thing that you learned from CNN 10 today, or your alternative news piece with the link. Do not tell me coronavirus is spreading. We are all aware. Here is a Map Skills worksheet. This is where it's very important for you to listen. So you're going to look over the following worksheet. Make sure you follow directions when trying to complete the assignment. This is just a picture. If you need to open it, you probably will not be able to, as it was originally a PDF. But I took a picture of it, a screenshot. If you cannot see it, you need to go on the bottom here and hit the plus sign on your screen, and it will zoom in for you, okay? You will be reading this map. Oh, where did it go? Okay. So I need you to follow the directions, look at your legend, look at the symbols, and I need you to answer these questions. They're fairly simple. It's talking about north and south and east and west. Here is your compass rose right here. And then when you're answering questions, you're going to type your answers into this Google Doc that I have created for you. As I said, and I will repeat it probably 100 times today, you cannot type your answers on that picture. Your computers will not open up a PDF. So you will have to type your answers in this Google Doc. So you will have to have both tabs up. If you just pull up this screenshot, zoom in, and then you can go back and forth on your computers, okay? So that's the first Map Skill Monday task we have. Also, a lot of you who are finished with your work early get to play this a lot, but I wanted to give everybody a chance to play. So this is Cetera Geography Games. You are going to play this 2 times, and I want you to document your time and your percentage. So when you click the link, you're going to go to the United States, and you're going to click the US 50 states. Once you click it, it's going to take you to the map. You need to look up here on the top. It says click Idaho. Oh, I don't know where Idaho is. Oh no, Miss Cantwell. When you click it and get it wrong, I think it does light green. It gives you a bunch of chances. I think it gives you 3 chances. Okay? Oh, look, there's Idaho. Click on New Jersey. Oh, I don't know where New Jersey is. So this is going to give you practice of where the states are. I'm not going to tell you where they are because you have to learn these, okay? Eventually it'll turn red and it'll tell you where the state is. So practice this, and then up here, when you are finished, I want you to type in your percentage and the time. Excuse me. That's right here in the corner. You are going to put that under the Google Doc that says Cetera Scores. And again, guys, you're going to play it 2 times. So you're going to put your first try, your percentage and time here. Play again, percentage and time here. Okay? So that is what we will be doing today. Please make sure you listen to these instructions. If you are still confused, please watch the instructions again, and I will help you as much as I can. This is probably the easiest though because you have the screen to walk you through it, okay? Let me know if you have questions. It is Map Work Monday. Go get started, okay?